Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe at home itself. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor at AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on high tea. Let us understand more clearly about high tea. Objectives. What are the objectives of this topic? At the end of the session, students will able to learn about high tea. They can also understand about how to put cover setup for high tea menu and they can follow the service sequence which is required for service of high tea. Introduction. High tea is the British tradition of drinking tea while sitting in high back chair at a table full of plated items such as cold meats, vegetables, pickled fish, potatoes, salad, pies, tarts with fruit cups, etc. It is usually in a modified a la carte form and the menu will offer items such as grilled toasted snacks. The meat dishes normally come in the form of pies and pastries, whereas the fish dishes are usually grilled or fried. The menu may be either served in a table d'hôte or a la carte. As for the full afternoon tea service, the jug of cold milk, butter dish, and the preserved dish are not part of the mise à plat and should only be brought to the table when it is required by the customers are seated. Any other items of tableware that may be required are brought to the table as for the a la carte service. The following accompaniments may be offered with high tea. The first one is tomato ketchup. Next one is brown sauce, Worcester sauce, vinegar, and the last one is mustard. The cover for high tea may include the following items: napkin, joint knife and fork, side plate and side knife, cruet set which includes salt, pepper, mustard and a mustard spoon, teacup, saucer and teaspoon. A high tea may be available in addition to the full afternoon tea. It is usually in a modified a la carte form and the menu will offer in addition to the normal full afternoon tea menu. Cover for high tea also includes jug of cold milk and or a side plate with lemon slices depending on the type of tea served. Teapot and hot water jug stands or underplates, slow basin and tea strainer, sugar basin and tongs or individual packets of sugar. It also includes butter dish and butter knife with butter and alternatives. Preserve dish on an underplate with a preserve spoon or side plate with a variety of small individual preserve which is called as jam and the table number. Order of service. The general order of service for high tea is beverages. Next, we can serve hot snacks, which includes bread and butter. Sometimes we can add salads also here. Then the third one is assorted sandwiches. Fourth one is assorted bread items with butter and alternatives and preserves. And then we can serve hot toasted items. Continue order of service. These scones and assorted buttered breads are often dressed on dish paper on flats and are also set out on the buffet as required and served with the service. Then we can serve cakes and pastries which is also served on the or presented on the cake boards. Service of high tea. The beverage should be served first, followed by the hot snack order, which is often accompanied by bread and butter. When this has been consumed and cleared, the service then follows that of afternoon tea. Order taking is usually carried out using the duplicate checking method. Service sequence for high tea. Serve hot snacks such as fish, meat, etc. Sometimes salads ordered by the guest with the accompanying sauces, bread and butter. After that, when this has been consumed, it is clear the plate and cutlery. Now the next you can serve the sandwiches may be dressed on silver flats and are set out on the buffet prior to service. Toast, tea cakes and crumpets are often served in a soup plate or well dish with a silver cover on an under plate. The scones and assorted buttered breads are often dressed on dish papers on flats and are also set out on the buffet or brought from the steel room as required and serve as for family service. After that you can serve preserves are served individual pots or in preserve dish, both of which may be served on a doily on an underplate with a preserve spoon. Next service for high tea. Gato and pastries may be presented on cake boards, which are placed on plates or on round silver flats or service salvers. An alternative to this is the use of a pastry trolley or the afternoon tea pastry stand. Ice cream and other sweet dishes are becoming more popular and are usually served last. High tea may also be served in the lounge. High tea menu. High tea menu includes the items offered in full afternoon tea menu with the other dishes which we have already discussed like such as grilled snacks, fish or meat, salads, cold sweets and ice cream. Let us understand here the high tea menu. Hot buttered, toast or toasted, tea cake or crumpets. Assorted afternoon tea sandwiches, shrimp and cucumber, kipper and cheese, tomato and tuna. Vegetables also can be served in high tea menu. Chicken vol au vent, broccoli and almond salads with vinaigrette dressing. We can have a different varieties of bread which includes brown, whole wheat, multigrain and then fruit bread with butter. We can have buttered scones. We have already discussed scones are the little small cakes which is sweetened or unsweetened. And then we can serve raspberry or strawberry jams, gato and pastries, peach melba. There will be a different varieties of coffee or tea we can serve. In Indian restaurant, the guest place the order from the menu card and the customer prefer items such as samosa, kachori, vada pav, pav bhaji, sweets, etc. during the tea time. From the above, one can understand that high tea refers to tea or coffee, which is served with snacks. It can be in the form of tabla di hot or a la carte. Indian high tea tabla di hot menu generally consists of the following, but it is not limited to these only. Like savories, you can add vada, assorted pakoras, cutlet, masala cashew nut, salted almonds, and in the sweets you can add kaju burfi, rasmalai, gulab jamun, halwa, etc. It may also have sandwiches, burgers, pizza, cookies, pastries, etc. Guests may also order from the menu card according to their requirements. Quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic though the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any kind of query or question related with this video, do let me know. Thank you. Have a great time. Please find below mentioned references are given for this video. If you have any kind of query regarding this video, do let me know. Thank you. Have a great time.